Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all fine. So a friend and a client of mine came into Nigeria. Yeah, and she's at Transcorp Hilton hotels. So I'm going there to meet with her and also to style her because she wants a frontal installation. So I'm going to the hotel now. I'm on my way. I'm already at the hotel now, guys, as you can see. Yeah. Guys, Abuja, it's very hot. It's very, very hot in Abuja. I'm really sweating, seriously. Guys, the weather is so hot. I'm sweating from every side of, as in every part of my body, guys. By the way, this is Zara, and we're about to start the frontal installation now. God, this under AC, and I'm still sweating. So we are done and we decided to order food for ourselves because I was really hungry anyway and she hasn't eaten too, so we just had to order something for ourselves to eat. Eat it. What is it? You must be Nigerian food now by force. Eat it. That's snail. Zara, come on. Look at your face. Well, guys, it's another day, so I'm going to meet up with my friend. Just going to relax and just have a little bit of fun. So, yeah. You won't believe what Zara told me. Zara is a really, really crazy person. She's crazy. Very, very crazy, guys. we got bored and we decided to take pictures. So yeah, the pictures we took at the hotel. Yeah, enjoy. I'm a good photographer. I took this picture of this girl and she said it was not nice. And look at the one she took of me, like. Morning, guys. So today is Saturday, and I'm going to run some errands today. Yeah, I'll be running some errands today, and maybe just go to the supermarket and get some stuff that I really need. Then after that, I think I'll just go um, to check on my project and see what the workers are doing. Yeah, if you watch my last vlog, you know the kind of project I'm talking about. So that's just pretty much it. That's what I'll be doing today. And then maybe come back home, relax, do some certain things, see if I have some clients to attend to. Yeah, that's it, guys. Guys, this popcorn, the sugar in it, oh my god, it's just too sugary anyways. So I just got some chocolates and biscuits and just some stuff that I just wanted. Yeah, I decided to go to my project just to see what they're doing, and they're doing fine. Everything is progressing. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.